So now let's see how we can work with fonts inside of Wix ADI. So I already have my page right over here, as you can see, and there's a set of fonts that has already been chosen for us. So let's say we want to change this out. In order to change the font, what you can do is you can go to design right over here and then go to fonts right over here. So once you go to fonts, what happens is that you see a different type of font which you can choose, and these are the set of fonts that are recommended for use right over here. So the default one which is applied is Innovative, as you can see. So if you want to change out the font, you can use something like Inspire, as you can see, which is a bit more better in if you ask me right over here. Let's just go for Jet Black as well, and you can see that it has a different sort of a look right over here. Lovely has a different sort of a look right over here. So I'm just going to go around and choose Inspire, as you can see. So over here in Inspire, you can see that the option that is given to you is the font size. So you can make it small, as you can see right over here. So the font can be really small or it can be large, as you can see. So depending on your needs, what you can do is you can just change around the setting right over here. So I'm just going to bring this a bit down over here until the tube is in the same level, as you can see right over here. So this is the look I want. So once you're happy with the look, you can just close this out, and that's it. The new font has been applied to your website, and this changes the way your website looks, as you can see. So that's how you work with fonts in Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.